Unboxing and testing out this 20-watt Anker Bluetooth speaker coming up on ThriftyAV. I got this for about $22 off the normal price on Amazon Prime. Let's get into it and take a look, see what we got. The box doesn't appear to be sealed. Okay. Welcome guide. Okay, it's telling me what all the buttons do here. Power, battery, play, pause, status. It turns off after 10 minutes of non-use. You can also hook it up via auxiliary jack. That's good. Alright, it's 20 watts, but that's 10 watts into 2 channels. You get 7 to 8 hours out of it. Range says 10 meters, 33 feet. I'll test that out. 18-month limited warranty and lifetime technical support. All right, what else do we have here? There's the Anker logo, there's the buttons on top. Here's the auxiliary input and the power. Model number A3143. Let's see what else we got here. Okay, looks like a regular old micro USB cable. And they provide mini plugs if I want to hook it up that way. Let's put this on the charger for a little while. Well, try the fast charge port. There's a yellow light on the power button when it is charging. I'm going to leave this sitting here for a little while. We'll come back to it later after it's fully charged. It's been about an hour and that light is no longer on. So I'm going to assume that this is now fully charged. So let's try hooking something up to it. Okay, I'm going to start a track on my phone. I'm going to turn on Bluetooth. The Anker showed up, so I'm going to pair it. Alright, these plus and minus buttons serve two purposes. If I just temporarily press it and repeatedly press it, the volume goes up. Likewise, if I temporarily press the minus button, the volume goes down. If I hold the plus button, it goes to the next track. That was an alert from my phone. If I hold the minus button, it starts the same track over again. When you reach max volume, the speaker lets you know with this beep. The play button also serves as a pause button. So I'm playing the song, and now the song is on pause. And this is the power button. As far as I can tell, it only serves one purpose, power. Alright, I have my phone on this stool, my Bluetooth speaker going, and we're gonna walk backwards. I've kind of run out of yard. Maybe I should hide behind this building and see what happens. Oh, it's starting to cut out. So I'm blocked by a building. I'm on the back edge of my yard. Double yard, by the way, double lot. I'm still getting my Bluetooth. Let's go over this way. Here's my phone. Although it's not working very well at this distance, it is working. Now I want to try out the auxiliary input. So I have the cord that came with it hooked up to my cell phone. I'm going to plug it into the auxiliary input here. Turn it on. Hit. And now I'm going to hit play. Oops, I had Bluetooth turned on. I'm going to turn it off. Let's try this again. I'm very impressed with the bass response of this unit. I can actually feel it vibrating with the bass guitar. That might be why it doesn't last as long as some other Bluetooth speakers, is because it's putting out some volume. And I can turn it up too. Oops. So I'm pretty impressed with this little Anker Bluetooth speaker. Sounds pretty good. If you enjoyed this video or any other in the ThriftyAV series, please like and subscribe. Thank you to my patrons for supporting this channel. And remember, stay thrifty, everyone.